Research can mean different things to different people. This is our kind of research. The Baruch Institute for Coastal and Marine Sciences is really an institute that brings together research, education, and outreach, trying to understand our coastal environment. Perhaps the greatest component of the Institute is our coastal facility. This is one of the very few sites along the entire southeastern and northeastern shores where we have direct, unfettered access to this beautiful environment.
There's less and less undeveloped land where the flora and the fauna can flourish, and it's allowed to do that here. And incredible research is being done.
We are at Baruch Field Lab in Georgetown, South Carolina, which is the university's marine science lab on the coast.
We bring our undergraduate and graduate students out there to really get hands-on experience in sample collection and measurement and how do you run a boat and how do you bring those samples and process them to understand what's actually going on in this incredible marsh ecosystem.
Being here for 3 weeks and doing research on the boat and in the lab every day, it was awesome to get to experience being in the field and working like I was an actual scientist.
So one of the really fun things that we do is we have this weekend at the coast at the Baruch Institute. We all go down, we bring our alumni, we highlight the work that our undergraduate students are doing, our graduate students, our faculty, our staff.
This is extraordinarily well run. The 2 hours we spent this morning in a classroom situation was just 2 of the best hours I've had in a while.
The Baruch Institute is so important, particularly with the scientific research. We're on the forefront, I hope.
It's actually really unique to have a field lab associated with a major university whose mission is, how do you manage our coastlines? How do you handle growth? How do you do it in a sustainable and thoughtful way that brings in the cutting edge research that is ongoing at the time?
The Baruch Institute is a treasure.
It's amazing, it's gorgeous, it's fun for anyone interested in trying to understand the impacts of how we're changing our environment. This is the place to go.
There's a lot to explore and to connect with. I'm standing in a perfectly beautiful June afternoon with a breeze coming off the water and finding myself inspired. So you might come down here and do the very same thing.